Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks, and behind me is a unique vehicle, 2019 Cadillac XTS Eagle Coach Echelon, 6,900 original miles. And no, I'm not lying, it is 6,900 original miles. Check back at the vehicle listing, you will see it to prove my point. Silver on silver, this is a radiant silver, so a true silver metallic color paint. Four-way purple strobes in the front grille. It has the older style fender strobes here that match the front grille as well. Stepping back into 2019, this was a pretty common option. Since then, we have moved them down to here, but does have purple fender strobes on top of it. Flag mounts and staffs, a dark gray pinstripe on this vehicle, and a beautiful radiant silver fully painted top here. Now on the Echelons, exclusively this car as well, it does get the coach lamp on the closer to the B and C pillar for this model. It is unique to the entire funeral industry for the Echelon model. Traditionally that coach lamp would be here. So something different for here, LED style coach lamp. Interior wise, it is a titanium or light gray interior with black leather accents. It has a Madagascar floor with the flip up church truck door and the side door as well, so fully optioned out. Comes with that umbrella storage area down below. Closing both of these options here, you will notice there's a plastic door sill plate here that does protect the sill plate here on the church truck compartment. You do get two chrome nameplate holders on this vehicle as well, and you're going to notice there's no curtains on the number 2 doors. There's no curtains on the rear Echelon style teardrop window. The only curtain on this vehicle is going to be on the low door, and it's going to be titanium or light gray to match the rest of the interior here. You are going to have the signature Echelon only Landau bars on the rear, and you're going to have that vista light in the center here, the unique skylight to this vehicle. Once again, all of your lighting in here is unique to the Echelon model as well. You have that Madagascar floor accents on both wheel boxes, including the casket floor and the urn carrier here that does roll up. Simple button operation here, rolls this urn carrier right back down into the floor. You are ready for your casket mode or your traditional funeral mode. Twin plates up front. You do get a bunch of adjustability here no matter what you'd like to carry in the back. Does have a little button here to pull out this extend sill. It pulls out all the way, I just didn't do it. That protects this rear bumper right here, nice and easy. Little black button, push it right back in. Just want to be gentle so I don't make too much noise here. Obviously when you operate it, you're just going to slide it right back in. It slides in very easily. Backup camera located on the door to give you the most amount of drivability here. Does have the nice dove embroidery. Quick adjust beer pin is stored on your far right. Does have 2 casket guideposts as well. That is a pretty standard Eagle Coach option here. Now this entire vehicle is fiberglass, rear load door and number 2 doors here, including the entire rear coach body. So you are the fully upgraded and honestly the most futuristic or most modern looking hearse that we offer here at Park Superior. This is the absolute top dog in the industry. Full-size spare down below here. It's a 5th physical wheel to the vehicle, matches the other 4 on the vehicle itself. As we step back here, you're also going to notice that B and C pillar chrome just to level up this vehicle even more. It is the Echelon. It is the top dog in the funeral industry. Once again, 6,900 original miles, 1 owner, radiant silver, so a true silver colorway. Black leather interior here to play off that Madagascar floor in the rear. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, Bluetooth. You do get Sirius XM and AM FM radio as well. Black leather seats, as I mentioned, black leather steering wheel. All the modern features you'd expect from a late model pre-owned vehicle with less than 7,000 miles. If you're looking for the last sedan style chassis of a hearse with basically brand new, I mean, I bet you there's not a single vehicle left in the country that has less mileage than this with 6,900 original miles, especially in silver, because silver was discontinued in 2020. We moved to argent and satin steel. So if you're looking for a true silver metallic car, this is the top dog. One last thing I want to mention, this antenna up top here. If you have a smaller garage or you're in a older style funeral home with a shorter garage door, that antenna can be unscrewed very easily, give you some more roof height as well. We have a lot of funeral homes in our local area that have buildings from the 1800s, and that is a common concern that can easily be removed. That way you can clear the garage and go about your way. This vehicle behind me is currently available, going to be reconditioned here. You're going to notice a few small blemishes like on the bottom of the sill over here, just from people dragging their feet in and out of it when they're getting out of the vehicle. All that will be taken care of, fully serviced, ready to be delivered directly to you. Take trades on anything you're looking for, financing available as well. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. Would love to speak with you, and happy holidays.